Hi there, I'm Megan Middleton. I am part of the Innovation and Marketing Department at Surf Fruit and responsible for our brands Lucky Bird and Surf Fruit. So Surf Fruit is South Africa's favorite beverage company, and this year to the show we brought a brand new brand of ours called Lucky Bird, which is a range of locally produced fruit syrups and purees. We of course have all the well-known loved beverages that Surf Fruit makes, but of course COVID, highlighted things like ginger and turmeric for its anti-inflammatory properties, but we are developing more and more health shots with functional benefits using superfood ingredients, and we've actually just launched a new detox shot, and part of its ingredient makeup is artichoke leaf extract, which is a natural fiber. So really everything we produce it's been well thought out and the ingredients are beneficial to you.